Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here, and today I'm going to show you a property in the Meridian subdivision out here in Manvel, Texas. Now today, guys, this property is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath property that has the works. Right now I'm currently in the game room. Outside it has a large patio for entertaining guests, has a huge backyard. Also, if I haven't said this already, it's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath property, and it is a single floor plan. So without further ado, let's get on with the property home tour. right, guys, so that essentially sums up the property home tour. Now, as I walk through this property, I can really tell the quality materials in this property. I love how they staged it. I love how they applied the accent walls. And I would like to know what you guys think. Drop some comments below. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like that like button, smash that like button, do whatever you need to do to that like button. Show some love. This will really help the YouTube algorithm out a lot, and this will also encourage me to create more videos similar to this one. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and share this video to any one of your family members or friends that will be moving into the Manvel, Texas area. They will really appreciate it, and you have their back, so you know, you just get more praise for that. So go ahead and make sure you do that. And subscribe to the channel, especially for those home enthusiasts out there who are looking for new construction in the Houston, Texas area. I have some more content in the future, so go ahead and make sure you check those out. But without further ado, go ahead and check out this video here of another luxurious new build construction home that I think you will also enjoy. See you next video. Peace.